What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my favorite vitamin C supplement. I'll be right back. So I wouldn't really count this as a supplement review, but I guess you could. This is my favorite vitamin C supplement. This is Thorne Vitamin C, and this happens to be the 500 milligram serving. And the directions on the back here basically says, take vitamin C. You take one capsule 1 to 3 times a day, daily, as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. I actually only take this once a day because I have some other supplements that have vitamin C in them, and plus with my diet, getting the vitamin C in that way also, which actually is the most preferred way to get it in, is through your diet. But we know that's not always possible, and sometimes you just have to take in some extra vitamin C. So this Thorne, the reason I chose this brand is because it's a trusted brand. A lot of doctors recommend Thorne. And so once I start seeing different doctors recommend this, like between my doctors and my wife's doctor recommend this, then I decided to go ahead and follow up and get the Thorne Vitamin C. I buy this off of Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description where you can also purchase this if this is something that you've been looking at, wanting to buy and wanting to try. Really good reviews on Amazon, really good reviews on a bunch of other different places. So Thorne is again, like I said, it's a trusted brand, especially among doctors, and so I haven't had any issues with it. Haven't seen any issues on blood tests in relation to not having enough vitamin C, so I assume it's working. Vitamin C actually has a lot of benefits, from collagen production to bone and tissue and teeth health, different things like that. I also posted a video a few days ago on 3 muscle building benefits of vitamin C, and so you'll see that pop up here. So go check that out for how it affects vitamin C, has the benefits for muscle building. And so, but I just wanted to do this video really quick to show you the vitamin C supplement that I swing to, that I use, which is this Thorne Vitamin C. So hopefully this video helped you. Please feel free to follow me on social media, on Instagram at thisisb_Rob, at thisisb_Rob. That's how you can find my Instagram page. Follow me, let me know you came from the channel. Send me a little DM or whatever, and I'll probably end up following you back. Also, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.